This video are prepared by Group 3. Here is our group title, Smart Classroom Noisy Monitoring System. And here is our group member list. And now we'll start by Muhammad Haziq.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Haziq. Today, my group and I will be present about IoT project called the Smart Classroom Noise Monitoring System. This project focuses on solving a very common issue in classroom, which is uncontrolled noise during lesson. By using IoT technology, we create a real-time system that can detect noise level and give immediate feedback. So, classroom noise problem in modern learning space. In many modern classrooms, noise has become a frequent issue, especially during group activities, discussion, or when the class size is large. Most teachers depend on manual observation and verbal warning to control noise. But this method is subjective and inconsistent. Sometimes teachers don't even realize the noise has built up until it's already affecting the lesson. Excessive noise can reduce student concentration, interrupt the flow of teaching, and increase stress for both students and teachers. The bigger problem is that classrooms today do not have any real-time tools that can measure or track noise level objectively. Because of this, we want to introduce an IoT-based solution that can detect noise instantly, provide immediate feedback, and help teachers manage the classroom in more efficient and accurate ways. How smart classroom noise monitoring system help target user? Our system is designed to directly support teachers and students inside the classroom. With real-time LED alert, teachers can instantly see when the noise level becomes too high, without needing to constantly scan the room or remind students over and over again. At the same time, students become more responsible because the red LED serves as a clear visual warning that they need to reduce their noise. This helps create a smoother and more controlled learning environment where everyone understands the noise condition. By reducing the number of verbal warnings, the system also lowers teachers' stress and allows them to focus more on teaching rather than classroom discipline. The solution is low cost, easy to install, and suitable for classroom, lecture hall, and any learning environment. Overall, it helps create a calmer, more focused, and more productive atmosphere for teaching and learning.
Hi, my name is Chong Sing Jo. This is the Warwick instrument we prepared to simulate our system. Since the Warwick instrument does not have a sound system, so we use a potential meter to simulate it. Here, the pointer pointing left inducted normal sound, and the pointer pointing at the right hand side is inducted for noisy. Here is the coding that we use in the walkway to turn the LEDs on. The bright red LED inducted for noisy sound and a bright green LED inducted for the normal sound level. Let's try it and see it. Okay, now I will click for the start button. After I click for the start button, the green LED will bright because the pointer is shown at the left hand side. And now I will change the pointer place to the right hand side. So now we can see for the red LED was brightness. For the walkway part already done, now we will show our smart classroom noisy monitoring system, how to set up for the physical and the testing part. This is our tools, and this is our processor, ESP32. And this is our sound sensor, you can see. And this is our LED lights. And this is our resistor. And this is our USB cable, Type-C. And this is our breadboard. And this is our jumper wires. That's all for our door show part. And now we will show about LED setup. After LED setup, now we will set up for the resistors. Okay, now we will set up for the sound sensor by using the jumper wireless link for the ESP32. After set finish our sound sensor, we'll use the new jumper wires to link with the ESP32 with the breadboard. After links with the breadboard and the ESP32, we'll take the USB cable and use the Type-C place link for the ESP32. Okay, and now we use the USB cable connect for the laptop. Okay, for now we can see the blue LED was bright because the sound level was normal. When the sound sensor detect noisy, the red LED will turn bright, and then if normal, will turn back blue. That's all for group 3. Thank you.